And we are in front of the new Benimar Benivan 170 on the new Fiat Ducato chassis, and we shall be looking at a van of 5.99, and these are the complete specs for the Benivan B 170 PS, and with a final price of 64,820. Pretty nice, and actually it's not too big, but we shall be entering inside after we get a better look on actual backside of the actual van. And this is the Trigano group, so we are getting the same layout for the beds, let's say for the kid beds, and I will be measuring straight away the kid beds. We have 1.851 on the lower bed with approximately 80 centimeters, and the upper bed will be slightly smaller because we have this bulge. It will be 1.7, and on the larger past is 70 centimeters. So yeah, you have to take note that the upper bed is slightly smaller than the lower bed. And then on the lower part we have pretty smaller compartment for your belongings. And now we shall be going around, getting all around. There's this system where you have the gas bottle from the outside with just one gas bottle of 5 kilos, and on the upper part you have the slide out for your kitchen belongings, so you can reach out when you are outside. And I will be trying to enter and check gas burner stove with a sink, and we have also the pop-up roof, so this will be sleeping 5 people without any problems. And entering inside we have the new Fiat Ducato chassis with manual controls and not a full digital dashboard, but we have a full skylight view with bright LED and 2 big cabinets. The big table is foldable, and you get a sitting area for almost 6 people when you rotate these chairs. And on this part we find 3 cabinets for your kitchen belongings, and on the upper part pretty wide and deep storage unit. Fridge, the standard Thetford of 90 liters, and under it you are finding an additional cupboard for your longer, bigger belongings. And this is the fun part, where we have a separate shower unit, pretty wide and deep, and on the other part I have to enter the shower unit to actually get and make this separate wardrobe thing with a Thetford set toilet, sink, and this part enclosed when you don't need it. Pretty good, with a good amount of storage all around. And we have the ladder for the actual kid beds on the back and the lower part right up there. And you can have a separate room with this setup. I will be now exiting and going out. And getting out for a final look of this new Benimar